I'm going to show you an operation with algebraic fractions. So I will do step by step, and so this way I hope you understand better these types of operations. So here we are, an operation with multiplication, with brackets, with multiplication. Okay, this is a multiplication, and inside the brackets you have a subtraction. So let's start with the brackets, with these brackets. To do this subtraction, we have different denominators, so we are going to find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so let's start doing this. Okay, so the first denominator is 3x minus 3. So we have to factorize. We have to factorize 3x minus 3. So we can extract common factor the number 3. So 3 times x minus 1. Okay. The second polynomial is a quadratic polynomial, x squared plus 2x minus 3. So if you factorize this, you will get, let me see, x minus 1 times x plus 3. Okay, so the LCM is going to be 3. So write this in different color, 3. Okay, this factor times x minus 1 times x plus 3. Okay, this is the new denominator. Okay, so let's start doing this this operation. I'm going to write the first polynomial exactly in the same way. Okay, so I open the brackets, and in the denominators I'm going to write the new LCM, 3x minus 1 x plus 3 in both denominators. Okay, so let's continue with the next step. The next step is, okay, let's find the numerators. So now we have to divide all this denominator by the old denominator. So to divide this, okay, I'm going to try to do the operations here. I have to divide 3x minus 1 x plus 3 by the old denominator. The old denominator is this. So the result, okay, I can cancel the 3. I can cancel the x minus 1, so the result is x plus 3. So this x plus 3 is multiplied by 4. Okay. Well, the second denominator divided by the second old denominator, that division is 3. So minus 3 times x plus 2 in brackets. Okay. So the first thing that you have to take into consideration is, okay, I'm doing this subtraction. Okay, but if you have a combined operation with multiplications or division, subtraction, brackets, you have to focus on the brackets, and you have a subtraction, only do the subtraction. So don't find the LCM of everything. Okay, no, don't find the LCM of x plus 6 and 3x minus 3 and x squared. No. Okay, so just focus on your brackets. Don't change the things out of the brackets. Okay, don't change anything, because out of the brackets we have a multiplication, and in multiplications we don't need to change the denominator. We don't need to find the LCM. Okay, so let's continue. I'm going to write the same first polynomial, the same fraction. Well, I'm going to continue doing the operation in the bracket. So the numerator, I have 4x plus 12. I'm going to put everything into the same fraction to simplify this a little. Okay, the second numerator is minus 3x minus, okay, remember to take minus 3, not only 3, okay. So minus 6, okay. Okay, let's continue. 3x minus 9, x plus 6 times. Okay, I can simplify this a little more. Okay, now I'm going to have, okay, 4x minus 3x is x, and 12 minus 6 is plus 6. And in the denominator, I have the same. Okay, let's move on, and now let's do this this multiplication. Okay, to do this multiplication, we need to take a look take a look at the first polynomial. So let's take a look at this, because this numerator, we can factor this. So if we factor this, we can extract the 3 as common factor. So 3x plus 3, okay, and x plus 3 in brackets. So this is important, because if we do the multiplication and you factorize each polynomial, the multiplication is going to be really, really easy. So let's write everything in the same fraction. Remember that a fraction is a linear multiplication. So you multiply the numerators. So here you are 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 6. And in the denominator, you are going to have x plus 6 times 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. Okay. So okay, there are many polynomials that we can simplify. Okay, so we can simplify this 3 with this 3. We can also cancel this x plus 3 with this x plus 3, and this x plus 6 with this x plus 6. So finally, this division is going to give us, okay, the numerator, there are no terms. So if there's nothing, you have to write 1. And in the denominator, we have only one polynomial, this x plus 1. So this is the final result. So that's everything. Bye-bye.